warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Najwa Dalia Zahra. I'm a representative from Group 3, whose members are myself, Najwa, and my friends is Sofwan, Aditya, and Fardan. We'll explain about a balance between academic and extracurricular activities is key to the holistic development of students. Here are some reasons why. Academic benefit improves learning achievement. Research shows that moderate involvement in extracurricular activities can improve focus, motivation, and time management skills, which in turn lead to better learning achievement. Develop prevalent skills. Many extracurricular activities offer opportunities to develop skills that college and employers are looking for, such as leadership, communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Exploring interest and talent. Extracurricular activities provide a platform for students to try different activities and discover their interests and talents, which can help them determine their future educational and career paths. Extracurricular benefits is building character and value. Building character and value, extracurricular activities is instill important values such as discipline, responsibility, sportsmanship, and cooperation. Improves mental and physical health. Engaging in physical and creative activities can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve overall health and well-being. Building friendship and community. Extracurricular activities provide opportunities to meet people with similar interests, build friendship, and develop a sense of community. Finding a balance between academics and extracurriculars can help students reach their full potential and develop into well-rounded, accomplished individuals. Remember that the key is with effective time management, open communication, and asking for help when needed. Balancing your academic and extracurricular activities is not easy. However, with the right time management strategy, you can achieve success in both fields. Here are some tips and tricks that you can try. Planning and prioritization. Number one, make a schedule. Take the time to create a weekly schedule that lists all your academic and extracurricular commitments, including study time, assessment, extracurriculars, and leisure time. Make sure your schedule is realistic and stickable. Number two, prioritize tasks. Identify which tasks are most important and urgent and complete them first. Use a system like the Eisenhower matrix to help you prioritize your tasks. Number three, see short-term goals. Break large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones and set deadline for completing them. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Time utilization. Number one, use the Pomodoro technique. This technique divides from work time of focus 25 minutes intervals followed by 5 minutes break. This technique is proven increase focus and productivity. Utilize free time. Take advantage to free time between classes, while traveling, or before bed to study or work on assessment. Number three, avoid multitasking. Multitasking can make you easily distracted and reduce your productivity. It's best to focus on one task at a time. Number four, turn off distraction. When studying or working on assessment, turn off phone notification, close irrelevant browser tab, and find a quiet place to focus. Improving efficiency. Number one, use study aids. Utilize various study aids such as online learning application, educational videos, and reference book to help you to study more effectively. Number two, form a study group. Join a study group with your classmates to discuss the subject matter, work and assessment together, and help each other. Number three, ask for help. If you're struggling with a subject matter of assessment, don't hesitate to ask your teacher, tutor, or friends for help. Balance and health. Number one, take time to rest and relax. Make sure you take time to rest and relax outside of your academic and extracurricular activities. This is important to maintain your mental and physical health. Number two, get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining focus and concentration. Make sure you get 7 or 8 hours of sleep every night. Number three, eat healthy food. Eating healthy and nutrition food will help you have enough energy to get through your academic and extracurricular activity. Number four, exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you reduce stress, boost your mood, and maintain your physical health. Additional tips. Delegate tasks. If possible, delegate non-essential tasks to others. Learn to say no. Don't hesitate to refuse requests that will interfere with your study or rest time. Reward yourself. Give yourself a small reward after completing a task of achieving a goal. This will help you to stay motivated. Remember that the key achieving a balance between academic and extracurricular activities in discipline, focus, and effective time management. By applying the tips and tricks above, you can achieve success in both areas and develop yourself into a complete and accomplished individual.
Parents and teachers have an important role in helping students achieve a balance between academic and extracurricular activity. Here are some ways they can do so. The role of parent. First, showing support. Parents should show their support for their child's interest and talent both in academic and extracurricular activity. Number two, help set priority. Parents can help their children in setting priority and creating a realistic schedule to balance academic and extracurricular activity. Number three, facilitating communication. Parent can facilitate communication between their child and the teacher to ensure that all parties understand the child's needs and expectations. Number four, providing a conducive environment. Parents can provide a conducive environment for learning at home, such as quiet study place free from distraction. Number five, helping manage time. Parents can help their child in managing time effectively, such as by reminding them to do assignment and study for exam. Number six, providing motivation and encouragement. Parents can provide motivation and encouragement to their children to keep trying and achieve their goals, both in academic and extracurricular. The role of the teacher first, recognizing the importance of balance. Teacher shows to use the importance of balance between academic and extracurricular activity for the holistic development of student. Number two, creating relevant tasks. Teacher can create tasks that are relevant to student interest and talent so that they can learn and develop outside the classroom. Number three, providing support and guidance. Teacher can provide support and guidance to students involved in extracurricular activities, such as by helping them organize their time and perform the results. Number four, establish open communication. Teacher should establish open communication with parents to discuss student academic and extracurricular progress. Number five, organizing diverse extracurricular activity. School can organize a variety of interesting and useful extracurricular activity for students so that they can choose activity that suits their interest and talents. Number six, rewarding extracurricular achievement. Teacher can reward student extracurricular achievement such as by giving awards or recognizing their accomplishment. By working together, parent and teacher can help students achieve a balance between academic and extracurricular activity so that they can develop into successful individuals who excel in all areas of life. Various studies have shown a positive relationship between participants in extracurricular activity and student academic performance. Here are some examples. Study by Hitty and Gilser, 2009. First study 2,346 high school students in Germany. Number two, it was found that students involved in extracurricular activities had higher average score in core subjects such as German, math, and science. Study by Lauda and Reusser, 2001. Research for 125 high school students in the United States. It was found that students involved in extracurricular activity had higher learning motivation, greater self-confidence, and better time management skill. Meta-analysis by Pascarella and Tarantini, 2005. Review, review 51 study that explained that relationship between extracurricular activity and academic achievement. Positive relationship explanation. There are several explanations why extracurricular activity can improve academic performance. First, increase motivation and interest in learning. Number two, developing relevant skills. Number three, improve time management and discipline. Number five, provide opportunity to scholars and build relationship.
It is important to note that not all extracurricular activities are created equal. Some activities may be more beneficial to academic achievement than others. Parents and teachers should encourage students to choose activities that match their interests and talent, and that offer opportunities to learn and develop. Conclusion, research evidence and statistical data show that there is a positive relationship between participation in extracurricular activities and academic achievement. Extracurricular activities can provide many benefits for students, including increasing motivation, developing skill, and improving mental and emotional well-being. Parents and teachers should encourage students to engage in extracurricular activities that match their interests and talent, and that can help them reach their full potential. Extracurricular activities are not only useful for improving academic performance, but also for developing various soft skills that are important in life. Here are some types of soft skills that can be developed through extracurricular activities. Number one, communication and interpersonal skill. Example, public speaking skill, active listening skill, cooperation skill, relationship building skill. Number two, critical and creative skill. Example, problem solving, critical thinking, creative skill, innovation, and the others. And number three, leadership and management skill. Example, leadership skill, team management, decision making, responsibility. Number four, emotional and social skill. Example, stress management, empathy and social awareness, self-confidence and persistence and preference. The type of soft skill that can be developed through extracurricular activities are very diverse and depend on the activities chosen. It is important for students to choose activities that suit their interest and talent, so that they can the benefit for holistic self-development. In this digital era, there are many apps and technologies and can help students with time and activities management. Here are some examples. Time management application. Example, Google Calendar, an online calendar that allow students to create schedule, set reminder, and share schedule with others. Number two, TickTick, to-do list app that allows students to create to-do list, set priorities, and track their progress. Example number three, Forest, a focus app that helps students to avoid distraction and stay focused on their tasks by planting virtual trees. Example number 4, Freedom, a website blocking app that allows students to block distracting websites during study time. Example number 4, Pomodoro Timer, an app that helps students to apply the Pomodoro technique, which is working in focus 25-minute interval followed by a minute break. Learning and collaboration application. Example number 1, Google Classroom, an online learning platform that allows teachers to provide assignment, learning material, and grades to students.
Other technology, smartwatch. Smartwatches can help students to track time, receive notifications, and monitor their physical activity. Voice assistants, voice assistants such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant can help students to set reminders, create to-do lists, and control smart devices in their homes. Medication reminder app. Medication reminder apps can help students to take their medication on time, especially if they have multiple medication to take. Tips for causing apps and technology. Choose apps and technologies that suits your needs and learning style. Use apps and technologies pairing and don't become absurd. Be sure to balance apps and technology as with other important activities such as socializing, exercising, and sleeping. 4. Tell to your present teacher or counselors if you find it difficult to manage your time and activity. Conclusion, many apps and technology can help students with time and activity management by choosing the right apps and technology and using them well. Students can improve their production, focus, and achievement.